everyone, and welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities, and countries, then this channel is for you. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be the first to see whenever I'm uploading. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's dive into this video. Today we are making caramel. And as you can see here, it's only 3 ingredients. So our ingredients for today are heavy cream or cooking cream, margarine butter, and some granulated sugar. So why waste time? Let's go to the pot and see what's going on over there. So now I'm at the stove, and in my hot pot I have approximately 1.5 cups granulated sugar. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So I'm just spreading out this sugar so that it can be melted evenly. As you can see here in the corner, my sugar has started melting. So I'm going to incorporate the parts that are not melted into the parts that are. And as you can see, some crystals are going to start forming, and that is normal throughout the process. So I'm just going to spread that out, ensuring that this sugar gets melted well. What you're also going to notice is a light brown color starting to develop as the sugar melts, and that is normal. What you want to do is incorporate it into the parts that aren't melted as yet, because you don't want the caramelization process to begin before time. So I'm just going to mix that all in. See that light brown color I was telling you guys about? That's it there. You want to mix that all in, and you want to crush those crystals to help the melting process. Stirring occasionally. And you want to ensure when making caramel that you are using a wooden spoon. Some may ask, can brown sugar be used to make caramel? And the answer is yes. However, you want to be very careful as the sugar is already brown. So as soon as you start seeing that froth, you want to add your cream. You don't want your caramel to be bitter. So I'm just going to have this all melted. And as you can see, as it melts, the color is getting darker. So now here, all the grains are melted, and you want to have your heavy cream or cooking cream on standby, because this is going to caramelize very quickly. And you don't want it to go too dark, because then you're going to end up with bitter caramel, and you don't want that. So I can already see the process starting. So I have my cream here on hand. And at this point, you can add your cream. Any point through this stage, your cream can be added. So now I'm going to add my cream. And I'm going to stir that in. And you want to ensure that you are careful, because you don't want to get burnt by sugar. Because trust me, it won't be pretty. Sugar is one of the worst things to get burnt with in the kitchen. So now I'm going to add my margarine. And I'm using approximately 4 tablespoons. You either want to put your heat on low at this point, or remove your pan from the heat to incorporate the margarine. and you want to make sure that you get all that margarine melted. And this caramel sauce is going to be great with your desserts. It's going to be good on ice cream, cake, donuts, you name it. I'm going to be using it on my cinnamon rolls in my next upcoming video. And guys, you want to stay tuned. You want to ensure that you watch that video because it's going to be really good. That recipe is delicious. So I'm just going to have this melted out. And then I'm going to make sure that it's thick enough for me. So now it's ready. So I'm gonna boil this and I'm gonna be right back. So as you can see, this is my results for my caramel sauce. And trust me guys, it is delicious. It's so creamy and buttery. You're gonna love it. So please don't forget to stay tuned for the cinnamon roll recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a juicy thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and tell a friend. Bye and thank you for watching.